YouTube was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is the iPhone 15 Pro, and we're gonna be looking at this case right here, the Spigen Crystal Flex. All right, by Spigen. All right, this is a a clear case that you can put on your iPhone 15. You know what I'm saying? It's a very nice looking case. I already opened it up, but we're gonna do the unboxing right now. All right, so as you can see, this case has air cushion technology, flexible material. All right, so we're gonna put this on this phone. So before we get into the video though, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up here, guys. At the time of this recording, I believe I'm at 363 subscribers. All right, so join the club, join the crew. Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so this is obviously the package right here. Not the package, the box. Basically, the opener, you just push it up like that, and then you gonna push it like that, and then there's the case right here. All right, so this is the case right here. Just pull this out. It's kind of stuck. Okay, there you go. This is the case right here. Clear case, looking pretty solid. All right, and then in here, if I could take this out, hold on, just give me 1 sec. All right, so this just basically tells you, if there's a stain on the case, you can just wipe it. I actually already opened it, so this is the lens and screen wiping thing that it came with. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, they give you a little card just to let you know. All right, reason being is because this case right here, you know what I'm saying, is I don't know if you can see that, but it can pick up a lot of dust and a lot of fingerprints. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's really easy to pick up fingerprints on this case. All right, so let's put it on the iPhone 15. Let me just wipe it real quick. Boom, iPhone 15. Just put it on like so. Boom, 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 boom. All right, this is how it looks. You know what I'm saying? Let me wipe my screen. You know what I'm saying? All right, this is how it's looking like. Very nice case. All right, buttons are very clickable. You can really hear the buttons click. You know what I'm saying? The volume rocker up and down, and then the action button. That's obviously working. Guys, this is a very straightforward case. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like crazy about it. You know what I'm saying? There's the little like lump around the camera, so that your camera, is protected. I don't know if y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why, but it's picking up a lot of dust. But look, there's that camera bump right up here. So your camera's going to be protected. If you were to put on a flat surface like so, or even like this. I like to put my phone like this. You can put your phone like that too. Whatever you prefer. You know what I'm saying? And on the top here, what does it say here? Air cushion technology. So you see this thing right here? That's just on the sides. Every corner has it basically. You know what I'm saying? That has the little branding right here, Spigen. You know what I'm saying? Every corner has it right here. I don't know what that says right here. Let's see. If it wants to focus. I don't know what it says. It doesn't want to focus. Alright, now it's focusing. But yeah, this is the case. You know what I'm saying? I gotta wipe my screen. You don't feel me? I don't like it being dusty like that. But yeah, nice looking case though. I would definitely not rock this if you're looking for protection. If you're looking for a protection case, I would recommend something like this. All right, the JE Tech rugged case. This one is the more rugged one. So if you're looking for something more robust and heavy duty, this is my daily driver right here. This case right here, because I don't know about you, but you know what I'm saying, I'll be doing some movements and my phone falls out of my pocket real easy. All right, so you know what I'm saying, you can really see I already have a little bit of scratch on it, just to show you how much times I drop my phone. You feel me? But if you're looking for something more aesthetically pleasing, you know what I'm saying, you can't go wrong with a clear case like this from Spigen. You know what I'm saying? Although they should fix this whole issue about dust getting on it, and fingerprints. But if you have this thing handy, you can clean it, or if you have a microfiber cloth, just wipe it here and there, get it over with your day. You feel me? So yeah, YouTube. So that's the case. You know what I'm saying? This case from Spigen. It was about $39.99 or $34.99. I got it from London Drugs. You know what I'm saying? So it might be cheaper online. I'll see if I could throw a link down in the description. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, flexible material. As you can see, it's pretty flexible. Obviously, it's a gel case basically. It's a gel. It feels like gel. It's a gel case, 100%. So yeah, YouTube. That's the case. So like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. If you guys like reviews like these, is this certified real tech? Is this certified real tech? The answer is yes. All right. If it's not certified tech, I would not recommend this. But I will recommend this only if you're going for aesthetic. You're trying to go with you want to show your phone. You know what I'm saying? I would go for a clear case. Other than that, if you want protection, I'll go for a harder case, obviously, because you ain't trying to break your phone. Obviously, I mean, we're talking about the iPhone 15 Pro. All right, we ain't trying to break it. You know what I'm saying? But a case like this, you know what I'm saying? If you want to show off your phone, it doesn't really show. The only thing is, this case doesn't really show the back because it's dusty. You feel me? The interior is kind of dusty. Oh, no, I'm just dropping stuff. You feel me? The interior is kind of dusty. I would have to clean it. You feel me? But yeah. Basically, if you want to show the back of your case, or you want to make your iPhone look, clean and whatever, then obviously go for a clear case. There's obviously cheaper options on the market, but Spigen says that this case has a long-lasting clarity, which means it's going to always look like this. It's not going to turn yellow or anything like that. Have some yellow tarnish or whatever on it. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of these cheap cases on Amazon. You feel me? Alright, YouTube. That's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. And guys, the time of this recording. Alright, this time of this recording right now, we're at 363 subscribers. Each and one of you guys contribute to the club and to the channel. Alright, YouTube. We out. Peace.